This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Norvie Ramos. Lovely brick ranch with 3 bedrooms and 2 full bath. Spacious home with 1,550 square feet of living. Formal living, formal dining, den with fireplace and open kitchen with counter island bar. New recessed lighting in main living areas. Laundry is in the garage with access to backyard and side gate from door. Den has separate door leading to immense backyard with wood privacy fence and shed. Spacious bedrooms with older fixtures in each bathrooms but all in good working condition. Pet friendly up to 30 pounds, pet registration required. Dogs only, no cats. Great community, convenient to all of Virginia Beach. Enjoy one-level living. Tenants must have renter's insurance, credit/background check. Easy online application, www.townerentals.com. Tenant criteria online. For more information, review the details below.